Hi, everybody. This is Alan Fine. I'm on Oceania's Insignia. It's the first of the 4 Regatta-class ships, right? Exactly. That's been renovated for $100 million. I'm actually taking away all that I want to ask you about. And this is James Rodriguez, who is the Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing.
Correct.
For Oceania. And this is Insider Travel Report. Please tell us what do you want all of our travel agents to know about the renovation?
Well, you're here at a very special time because this is actually the kickoff to our Around the World cruise, a full circumnavigation, 180 days, 6 months at sea. Oh, cool. So there's a palpable vibe here of guests are really excited, but this is the first debut of Insignia after her refurbishment. We completely, from top to bottom, touched every inch of the ship within 16 days, and the ship is just like new. So we're very excited to debut her today, especially with our Around the World guest. The rest of our fleet, the other 3 ships, Regatta, Nautica, and Serena, will be refurbished also this year, so we're very excited about that. But
all this year, I thought one was going all the way to the following year.
Yeah, it is. I'm sorry.
Are they on schedule?
Right, they are all on schedule. One of them is right after the new year in 2020. Right. So, yeah.
Right. So we have a lot of B-roll we're going to show everybody. And what are your favorite new renovations here on the ship?
Well, we are right now in Horizons, which is kind of the evening entertainment area where people come. And one of the big changes in this particular room is that we removed the stage that blocks the view of the sea when you're sailing. At one point when these ships were created, there was a stage that was built that actually blocked the view of the sea. I have no idea why that happened. But
now the sidelines will show everyone is very straight through.
Expansive views of this. The grand dining room has had a transformation as well. We've added a chandelier similar to the Marina and Riviera. But I think the most iconic area of these ships and what people love so much is the grand staircase. It's where people take photos when they're on their vacations, and their family holiday cards end up with one of the pictures of the grand staircase. But we've converted the grand staircase and have a new installation, art installation there. It's a mirrored glass with a tree of life there, and we've added a chandelier similar to the Riviera and Marina as well.
I wanted to ask you, the newer ships that have already come out, what did you learn from setting those ships up, and have any of those innovations been put on this ship?
Yes, actually, and you'll see this more so in our staterooms. The staterooms have been completely gutted on these ships and have been completely redone. So the bathrooms and the small conveniences that people were asking for have been added to these ships. We no longer have bathtubs. Most of our guests have asked for stand-up showers, so they all have stand-up showers. But just some of the storage and space issues that guests have been asking for, we've now implemented on this show.
Now, the Regatta-class is still set for 22?
Yeah, 2022. We're very excited about that. It was just announced. I don't have a lot of details on it other than it's going to be a fantastic ship, purpose-built for Oceania Cruises, and of course, we're going to build her in with the idea that we are a culinary cruise line. And so you're going to see some exciting things around culinary restaurants and different venues.
We'll look forward to that. Thank you for speaking with us.
Oh, you're very welcome.
So this is Alan Fine from Insignia on Insider Travel Report.